Hi everyone, we are doing the Ask Patrick series. So we start off again because there's a lot of requirement at this particular stage for the Ask Patrick series. Because a lot of people are looking out for guidance as to what to do and how to do. Now, what is Ask Patrick series? Ask Patrick series is a series where you ask me questions on CAT or maybe in your entrance examination, and I will answer to the best of my ability to help you, guide you with whatever my experience has been in the last 18 years. I'll try to provide the answers as far as my possible. So the first question today is by Sachin Kumar. The question is, my mock scores are demotivating me. This is extremely common, and I'm sure it is no one whose mock scores don't demotivate. It's a very common phenomena that when you start writing the mock, your mock scores start improving in the initial stages. And there is an improvement because you change the strategy, you understand the paper pattern, etc. But then it starts stagnating. It doesn't improve. And everyone goes to a stage where they get disappointed with the mock scores, and which also results in lowering your mock scores. Extremely common to get your mock scores down, extremely common to stagnate with your mock scores. The key is not to get demotivated. Okay. Again, I repeat, everyone gets demotivated. The key is, even if you're demotivated, continue and keep working as hard as possible to achieve your goal. Because a lot of people who prepare for the examination give up in between. And the reason they give up in between is the same reason, because they get demotivated. They don't see improvement. I'll give you a couple of examples in terms of what and how do I think. I had a student who was there who was scoring negative marks in quant. Almost given up, saying that it will not happen with me. She started with a mocks in July. Somewhere, she said that I'll not give CAT, but motivated her to write the CAT. Okay, give a shot. So she started preparing, prepared hard. Somewhere in the month of July, her scores became positive, but it was less than 5, around 1-digit numbers. She studied hard, started all the methods, started all the good ways of solving it, tried different things. Some worked, some did not work, but her scores were stagnant in a single digit. It's only in the month of September end that her scores start improving to double digit. It is only later on, October, November, he saw a continuous improvement to some extent. They started scoring 90% in the mocks. Actual exam, somewhere things did not work exactly what she wanted, but she scored about 80% in the quant section. Or clearly cutoffs. Overall, she scored 95 plus, got into MDI. One more example is another student of mine tried very hard throughout the period of practice to improve the scores. Did not happen. It went from maybe a 60 percentile to a 70 percentile, but it got stuck at 70 percentile. Few mocks above 80, but that's it. Nothing more than that. He had given up hope, didn't apply anywhere. He went to the examination. Okay, but he stopped preparing. He prepared. He said, let me give my best effort to the examination no matter what. Then after exam, I'll see what to do. But till the exam, let me give my best effort to the exam. Surprise, when the results came in, he had got a 97 plus percentile. He had not applied anywhere else. But luckily the forms of NITI was out. He applied to NITI, got into NITI. Now, if you look at, he got a 97 percentile because he was more relaxed in the exam, but he worked hard. Remember that. The key is to continue working to improve yourself. There are two things way to improve. One are the short-term measures, one are long-term measures. And you need to look at both the things to improve. Short-term measures, something like change of strategy. Somewhere like look at where you're doing mistakes and try to correct those mistakes. So this is all short-term strategy where if you modify these things, your score should improve somewhere. Somewhere you may be lacking small areas and try improve it. Long-term measures, that takes a little longer time. Okay, maybe habit of reading and therefore improving your RCs. Maybe change of methods in cons and therefore that may help. So look at both these short-term measures and long-term measures. Okay, work on it simultaneously, and you will see improvement over a period of time. It may not be tomorrow, it may not be next week, but that constant working on improvement will definitely bring yourself to a better position after maybe a month's time. Right? So keep on going on, keep yourself motivated, and give your best shot. One shot for the satisfaction. Hope it helps. Thank you.